थैंक्स टू इग्नू इज़ अ नेटवर्क थ्रू आउट द कंट्री, और उन्होंने मुझको बताया कि मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा, आप आ जाइए यूरोप, मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा। तो यूरोप में मैंने पहुंचा, और पहुंचने के बाद, और ये बात मुझको कोठारी साहब का भाषण सुनते सुनते भी और याद आ रहा था कि उन्होंने मुझको ले गए रामानुजन मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी। तो मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो यूरोप में रहते हुए भी उनको रामानुजन का एग्जैक्ट जन्म स्थान नहीं पता था। एंड फाइनली, वेल, देयर इज अ बिग हाउस again of a mathematician and who was running the Ramanujan Mathematical Society. So he directed that local person, and with the help of his direction we could go through to the place where Srinivas Ramanujan was born. It's a small house, but it's still in that particular shape. And that was Ramanujan's maternal uncle's house where he was born. And then he had sold it to someone, and then it has gone through several hands. And at that particular time, the tenant at that house was a tailor. So he also did not know about Srinivas Ramanujan. But I felt happy about that his son, who was at that time, I'm talking about 2007, and he was 10 to 11 years old at that time. So he knew that a great soul was born in this house. Then I went to Namakkal. Namakkal is also a place where Srinivas Ramanujan had spent quite some time of his life, quite some part of his life. And there, when I was inquiring about his house, that was also a very, very pathetic experience. लोग समझ रहे थे कि मैं उन्हीं समय के किसी अध्यापक के बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ, और कह रहे थे कि ऐसा किसी को हम नहीं पहचानते हैं। फिर एक बुजुर्ग मुझको ले गए, और वो जाते जाते उन्होंने कहा कि साहब आपको बहुत दुख होगा बहुत। So he took me, and Namakkal is a sleepy town. It's a sleepy hamlet. And that was the most prominent place is Namakkal, where you have the Hanuman Mandir and the Namakkal Fort. And beside that, there was a mall-like structure of a cloth market. And that gentleman said that there was a house where Srinivas Ramanujan used to stay. It has been totally demolished. And there, this shop of the cloth merchant has come. And finally, as you all know, he was in Kumbakonam, and this is the house which was renovated, and at that time, after renovation, it was inaugurated by none other than the then President, APJ Abdul Kalam. Now see the condition of the house. It really brought tears to my eyes when I reached this house. This is a kind of a corridor which leads to a particular courtyard. And here, the bust of Ramanujan has been kept. And it's in this particular height. I don't mind kneeling down in front of Ramanujan to pay my homage to him. But by the two sides of the bust were two big charts on which several equations were written. Now, these equations should have been kept at an eye height for the convenience of the reader. And very, very unfortunately, some of them had printing mistakes and proof corrections were not done. And this is the house, this is the room which pained me most. This is the bedroom of Srinivas Ramanujan. I should have said that another aspect of my happiness coming here is that I am a product of Ramakrishna Mission. Coming to Ramakrishna Mission is like homecoming for me. And we see how the memories of Swami Vivekananda is kept at Velur Math. At least there is a pot with a bed, and here it was just a piece of timber, not even the grace of having a mattress or a bedsheet. तो ये आज के बच्चों को भी सोचना है कि how we maintain the legacy of our mathematicians or our great scientists. I'm extremely happy that Madam and his team has taken the trouble of displaying about the works of the 21st century mathematician. And I once again compliment her for this particular activity which has added a new dimension to today's program. So this is about Srinivas Ramanujan. This is a school where he had studied. उनके बारे में ज़्यादा बताने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं इतना तो समझ गया कि ये जो थीम है इस प्रोग्राम है उसमें आप लोगों ने श्रीनिवास रामानुजन के बारे में बहुत कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ किया है। उनका जो मैजिक स्क्वायर है उसका कोई स्लाइड मैंने इसमें रखा नहीं है, बट यू माइट बी नोइंग दैट मैजिक स्क्वायर वुड बी एडिंग अप टू a particular number, row wise, column wise, diagonal wise, corner wise, center wise and at several places. तो नंबर कितना है आपको पता है? What is the sum of that number? 139. And the first row of that magic square is 22, 12. It's a 4 by 4 magic square. 22, 12, 18, 87. Can you beat it? इसको जोड़िए आप. 22 plus 12 is 34. 34 plus 18 is 52. 52 plus 87 is 139. और इसके साथ भी मैं ये 3 phase प्रोग्राम को जुड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि the most favorite number of Ramanujan was 3, because he used to associate that with the trinity of existence, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, creation, stability and annihilation. And next time you go to Chennai, visit a temple on the East Coast Road which has the Borromean triangle, which depicts this trinity of existence. And you study the number 139. 1 is 3 to the power of 0, 3 is 3 to the power of 1, and 9 is 3 to the power of 2. So to add to that I add the 3-phase program or mathematics movement. It is indeed a tribute to Srinivas Ramanujan. It is studied. So these are several ancient and modern Indian mathematicians. I don't know whether you know about Ashutosh Mukherjee. Basically, last year was his 150th anniversary. He is basically known as the 4th-term Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University and the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, and Sri Kaprekar, and several other ancient mathematicians. So you have already paid tribute to that, and to them I add, of course, an eminent European mathematician, originally German, Amy Noether. Why? Because she penned down a very important theorem in the year 1915. This year happens to be the centenary. और उस theorem क्या है? About the symmetry of nature. Nature abounds us with several symmetries. One of the symmetry is the homogeneity of space. Another symmetry is isotropicity of space, that is the rotational symmetry of space. And another symmetry is homogeneity of time. And she could relate these 3 symmetries to the 3 conservation principles. Homogeneity of space with conservation of linear momentum, homogeneity of isotropicity of space with conservation of angular momentum, and homogeneity of time with conservation of energy. And she was a Jew. She did not get a permanent position. She had a lot of pathos. And that's why I thought that I'll share this, particularly because this is the centenary of her achievement, Noether's theorem, which was published in 1915, and she was hailed extremely highly by none other than Albert Einstein, who also did a miracle in 1915. वो क्या है आप लोग जानते हैं? यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स विद्यार्थी जानते हैं 1915 में आइंस्टाइन ने क्या हासिल किया था? We'll come to that. So I shall pay a tribute to all the mathematicians by establishing something which is very close to the objective, that mathematics is a subject not to be graded, it is a way of life. Mathematics is the backbone of science, and most importantly it governs the nature and in many ways our life. Now first, again as a tribute to Srinivas Ramanujan, well, he used to have fun with numbers, and numbers are great facilitators. So let us try to have affinity with numbers. So here are some phone numbers. I have tried to remember them. Well, of course it can be saved in your mobile phone, but remembering numbers is again a fun. Now the first one is a landline number, 29534274. It is an IGNU Now, while remembering numbers, you divide it into cluster of, if it is a landline number, 4 each. And 2953 is the number of exchange. It occurs with every number in IGNOU. So it is a number of exchange, and so you don't have to make much of an effort to remember 2953. But how I remember 4274? 4th February 1974 happens to be the Punya Tithi of Professor S.N. Bose, Satyendranath Bose. तो ऐसा करके हम 4274 को याद रखते हैं. I had been to his house. That was the only time I had been there. उनका पार्थिव शरीर को देखने के लिए. The next number is 9810437148. तो इसमें विज्ञान के विद्यार्थी को 981 याद रखने के लिए उतना मेहनत नहीं करना होगा. It's the value of G in centimeter per second square, isn't it? इसके बाद 04 और 37. And 4 into 37 is 148. So that's how I remember this number. The next number, 9968. 9968 happens to be the first 4 numbers of many mobile numbers in Delhi. So it's very easy to remember. The next 2 numbers is difference of 99 and 68, 31. The next one is 75, which is the first time Cricket World Cup was played. And the next number is 83, the first time India won it. So that's how. So you can prepare different kind of mnemonics, like 139 of Srinivas Ramanujan. And the last one is 6 9s, and then you remember Valentine's Day, 1402, and you remember that number. Form a trio, a famous trio. कौन बता सकता है? It's a Pythagorean trio, fantastic. 24 square plus 7 square equal to 25 square. हाँ, आप जानते होंगे कि पिछले 2013 में 5th December was observed as Pythagoras Day. The entire Manhattan was lighted because it was 5, 12, 13. It's again a Pythagorean trio. 5th December 2013. हाँ? और आज अगर मैडम यहाँ आती स्मृति ईरानी, मैं तो उनको रिक्वेस्ट करता कि 2017 में हमारा जो इंडिपेंडेंस डे है उसमें तो तिरंगा हम जरूर फैलाएंगे और उसके साथ साथ पिथागोरस को याद करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी 15, 8, 17. Again a Pythagorean trio, because 15 square plus 8 square is equal to 17 square. So you should have a knack of handling number and also a knack for doing measurements. Can anyone say what is the heaviest object in this hall? Don't count the people, don't count the living persons here. But apart from that, what is the single most heaviest object in this hall? बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है आपको, बताइए. I'll come to this gentleman. He has been named already. हाँ बताइए. बताइए. You raised your hand. बताइए. The सुनाइए. The beams. अच्छा, कितना वजन होगा उसका? कितना वजन होगा बीम का? Any idea? अच्छा, by the way, what is the length of this hall? Roughly about 50 meter. The breadth is about 20 meter, right? So the area is 50 into 20, that is 1000 meters square, and the height is about 10 meter. So the total volume is 10,000 meter cube roughly, and density of air is 1.293 kg per meter cube. Density of air is 1.293 kg per meter cube. So what is the total mass of air in this room? A staggering 12930 kg. इससे बढ़कर कुछ है? The total mass of air in this room is 12,930 kg. इससे बढ़कर कुछ है? आपका बीम का वजन इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. So the single most heaviest object in this room is the air. तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज को आप थोड़ा ध्यान में लाइए, and mathematics will help you. This is a gentleman without whom we would not have known Ramanujan, Professor Hardy. और आपको रामानुजन नंबर याद है ना? तो उस कहानी में हम नहीं जा रहा हूँ. You all know that he met Hardy and Hardy came in a cab and he said that the number is dull, and then Ramanujan established that it is a very interesting number. Now this 1729 does not have only this property, 10 cube plus 9 cube and 12 cube plus 1 cube. It is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. It has several other properties. जैसे it is a Harshad number. A Harshad is a one which is divisible by the sum of its digits. Like 21 is a Harshad, 24 is a Harshad, 27 is a Harshad, 312 is a Harshad. तो आप 126 is a Harshad. लेकिन आप जैसे आगे जाते हैं और जैसे डिजिट बढ़ता जाता है, हर्षद का संख्या कम होता जाता है. And particularly, if it is not a multiple of 3 or 9, then harshads gets reduced. Now 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 is 19, and 1729 is divisible by 19. It's a harshad number. There are several other properties. I can spell out all of them, but I think due to paucity of time and some calculation would be required. It's the third Carmichael number. What is a Carmichael? Carmichael is a product of non-square primes, P into Q into R, such that the number n minus 1 has factors P minus 1, Q minus 1, R minus 1. The first Harshad is 561. 561 is equal to, आप करके देखिए, it is 3 into 11 into 17. 3 minus 1 is 2, 11 minus 1 is 10, and 17 minus 1 is 16, and all of them are factors of